Greetings, vac fans, especially KG5 vacuums. I know you've been asking for a test on a G5, so here's my G5, and the only real difference I have here is instead of the brush roll that came with it, I have the oblique bristled brush roll, say that 10 times fast, and it has these soft bristles. Not the stiff ones like you find standard in a Centria 2 or an Avalier. It's got the soft ones, but it still is oblique. This one tests out at 34 inches of water lift, running on low speed, of course, with the nozzle here, not the hose, and 125 CFM right here from this 14-inch nozzle. Now, when I put the paper bag in, I did a real quick measurement, and it looks like with the paper bag, I'm going to lose about 1, maybe 2 CFM. So I might be something like 123 or 124 CFM. So there's going to be a tiny difference. But I don't think the paper bag is going to change the results that much, because we're going to go ahead and put some red sand into the carpet, vacuum it up, and then we're going to tear the bag open and see what it does. Alright, there's 100 millimeters of sand. Now let's make it go away. All gone. Alright, so I'm going to have to stop the camera again to go take the bag out. Alright, I got the bag out. Now here comes the fun part, cutting it up. Okay, after several minutes, I certainly cut the bag to shreds, and this is the result. So now we'll see how it manages to fill the straw up. Okay, well, the results aren't as good as I had hoped. It looks like about 36 millimeters or 36%. However, the big difference between the G5 and the Heritage 2 Legend was really the brush roll. Couple CFM doesn't make a whole lot of difference. So going to the oblique soft bristled brush roll seemed to reduce the Kirby's ability to get sand deep into the carpet pile back out of it. So I'll have to go and try the other brush roll I have that's oblique stiff, and I have that in my Centria 2, and of course it's got a little more airflow, so I'll have to go and try that. So I was hoping that this would do a little bit better, but it turns out, as best as I can figure out, because of the brush roll, looks like it's okay, but it's not anything great. It certainly isn't 50 millimeters, that's for sure. So, thanks for watching. Okay, this is going to be a follow-up. This is a Kirby G5. This time I have the dirt meter with the black pad in there. And we're going to do the 100 millimeters of sand in the carpet. And I'm just going to verify that it truly is a soft oblique brush roll that is making it difficult for this machine, even with lots of CFM, to pick up sand buried in the carpet. So we had, I think, 36 millimeters with a full paper bag, a full-size paper bag, and to me that just seemed like it was a little on the low side. So using this pad, if I get less than 36 millimeters, it should confirm that a soft oblique brush roll does not do as good a job in a Kirby as either possibly the stiff one, which I haven't tested with a full-size bag yet, or I guess compared to, like, say, the chevron one in the Heritage 2 Legend. So let's see. So I'm trying to verify if we get less than 36 millimeters of recovery. Alright, so I'm going to stop the camera so I don't drop any of this. Alright, there's the pad. Now I'm going to try to get that on the paper. Okay, so there's the paper. Okay, so I'm getting about 29 millimeters or so, and what this actually proves is that two things, since I did it back to back. Using the pad probably lowers the overall grab of dirt to show people, say, look what my Kirby can get, by, say, maybe about 20%, because wasn't the full bag about 36, and this one really was reading about 29. It also proves that the oblique bristled brush roll in here with the soft bristles does not do that great a job. It does not do the Kirby justice for sand buried deep into the pile. So probably getting either the stiffer oblique bristled brush roll, I'd say that 10 times fast, or using an older type of brush roll that has the chevron design, like say in a Heritage 2, will definitely make a Kirby pick up sand deep into the pile carpet much better. So this is definitely a confirmation. Not that the G5 is a worse machine than the Heritage 2 Legend, that wouldn't be the case, but that the brush roll makes quite a difference. So what do you think? So I'm going to tack this on to the earlier video, so it's kind of going to look like two videos squashed together. Until next time, bye-bye.